In this video, we're going to be making an oak sill with oak bars installed for ventilation for a radiator. So stay tuned and here goes. Right, we've shown you this trick before. Obviously, put in your fast tool hose or dust extraction, whatever you want to call it. You can just put it in your clamp your clamp on there, and then you can use your guide rail and do whatever you're doing with your saw. And this hose then is just out of the way. It is absolutely brilliant. It's a simple thing, but it saves me a lot of hassle when I'm working by myself. All that's left to do now is leave this dry. That's the oak window sill. Got the copper bars. I just need to glue them into the sill now just to let a bit of air come through. Obviously we showed you with the holes underneath just to allow the heat to escape. But I think it looks nice. Obviously we got a joint there. I'm not bothered. It's my house. If it was another job I'd have to get a solid one length of oak and fit that, I'd imagine. But for this job, it'll do me.